Well, CARES Act funding has provided relief for thousands of families impacted by COVID-19 valley-wide. But as the year comes to an end, so will that funding. Here's Channel 5's Alyssa Cole.
In 6 weeks, Hidalgo County must spend or return anything that remains from the $151 million federal money granted to them by the CARES Act. Judge Richard Cortez says he's surprised there's still money available for those who qualify.
It's really been very frustrating because we thought that there was going to be a run of applicants, for this money, and it just didn't happen.
Judge Cortez says $82 million was split among 22 cities. 10% was set aside and large expenditures were made to purchase PPE and provide resources for students in rural areas for distance learning.
We came up with what we call the rent and mortgage program, where if someone showed that because of COVID they were unable to pay their rent or were unable to pay their mortgage, that we would assist them with some financial support for that.
It didn't end there. The county's still offering several other forms of assistance, like utility help and burial assistance of up to $2,000 if a loved one dies from COVID-19.
We've done everything we can to notify the public that this assistance is available to them, and we hope that all those who are in need and that qualify will continue to apply, and hopefully we can get some of this money in their pocket.
Judge Cortez was unable to give an exact dollar amount of how much money is left, but he says there should be enough to tackle any issues that may arise before the end of the year. Now he has a message for municipal leaders who may not spend the money before the deadline.
And if for whatever reason they're not going to be able to spend it in time, then we would like to have sufficient notification so that we can reappropriate it wherever there's need, because there are some municipalities, including ourselves, that we could use more funds.
Each federal dollar must be spent by December 30th. If it's not used by then, it must be returned back to the federal government. Alyssa Cole, Channel 5 News at 5.